Welcome to the Faculty of Information Technology at the University of Lahore, where innovation meets excellence. Our journey began over a decade ago, and today we stand as a beacon of modern technologies, transformative education, and entrepreneurial spirit.
I am Professor Dr. Ibrar Hussain, Dean Faculty of Information Technology. I welcome you to our vibrant community where innovation and excellence flourish. At University of Lahore, we believe in more than just bytes and algorithms. We believe in dreams, aspirations, and the power of knowledge. We foster a community where creativity and critical thinking are encouraged, empowering our students to reach new heights.
Our state-of-the-art computing labs and cutting-edge research facilities create an ideal environment for collaboration in areas like machine learning, AI, cybersecurity, and blockchain. We foster an entrepreneurial mindset, acting as a tech incubator that bridges academia and industry.
We aim to equip students with the skills they need through practical experience, teamwork, and interactive learning. By fostering analytical thinking and effective problem solving, we prepare our students to excel. Our comprehensive curriculum focuses on real-world applications. We prioritize experiential learning, going beyond theory to hands-on practice from the outset.
Our learning environments are dynamic centers of creativity where you can innovate, test ideas, and unlock unlimited potential.
Our labs are modern, cutting-edge, equipped with the latest technology to facilitate research. Here it's not about learning the concept from the textbook, it's all about applying them to the real-world scenarios.
Beyond our challenging academic programs, our campus thrives with exciting extracurricular activities, athletic competitions, and lively cultural festivals.
At the University of Lahore, I've learned so much more than the academics. The vibrant sports events boost campus morale, and variety of clubs and societies ensure there is always something to do. It's all about getting unforgettable memories and shaping us into well-rounded individuals ready to excel in our future career.
The Faculty of Information Technology is renowned for its exceptional graduates who excel in problem solving, innovation, and leadership, leaving a significant impact on the world with their remarkable achievements.
My experience at University of Lahore was life-changing. The in-depth curriculum and practical learning opportunities equipped me with coding skills to excel in my career. The faculty was immensely supportive, consistently going above and beyond to ensure our success. I'm thankful for the education I received here, and I'm confident it has set a strong foundation for my future in tech industry.
Join the Faculty of Information Technology at the University of Lahore, where we are empowering your digital future with entrepreneurial skills and enabling you to excel, transforming your curiosity into computing expertise and preparing you to succeed in the tech industry.